Guys, sorry. I didn't need to get back with this toilet again. I did like the logo, the sides too. By the way, let's see how this flushes. There's no dirt in the tank anymore. But there's some spots that we have missed. The first test we're gonna do is the test. But there's poop over here. But this will be all washed. But we're not taking the poop. The bees even grab this anyway. What gross. Okay, it's in a bowl. See how the bowl it says. It left a spot there. Hey, let's see the result. Next is a close-up flush. Close-up flush. See how this does. Next, gonna flush down is some is paper towel.
So many conversations going on. And it's, you think if, I think it would be fine. What? If you planted like cucumbers this time of the year, it would still be fine in time.
Get the paper towel.
As long as there's sun, right?
Yeah, cucumbers, you guys have a long growing season. And
I was gonna do that, Jen, I
If
was
you
gonna
keep-
start tearing my garden apart last.
if you water them, Jennifer,
Yeah, don't
They'll
call me
go.
that.
you'll
Call me
they'll
Jen.
do. Please.
Engineer Bill's right, or get a tent and put it on.
Jennifer.
Yeah, by the fire.
Hey, no wasting paper towel.
Paper towel test. Let's see how this flushes. Also, do not try this at home, which is inside toilets. This could damage your plumbing and sewers. I'd say it did good. How about a sock and an old tank top? It struggled a bit for a cast. It took it straight good. How about a glove and an old tank top? Yeah. Let's see how that flushes on. See how that flushes. 3, 2, 1. Nope. Gotta put it through. Okay. It's a beautiful day, but the toilet is clogged. Not going anywhere. But I can see the water is draining. Good thing I got my handy plunger. Yep, I unclogged it with holding the phone. So, my toilet has a 1.6 gallons per flush, or 6.0 liters per flush. 1.1 gallons per flush and 4.4 liters per flush. Okay. That's the end of the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Or I will clog your toilet. See you in the next video. Bye.